struggling with doing both of them, when you turn, do the left hand, 2, 3, 4, then do the right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then do both, 1, 2, 3, and down. We're here, let's do it on the other side. Then we'll turn to the left. Let's do the right hand. So do the hand that's on the audience side first. That'll be your overhand hand, which means it'll go back behind you first, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, then your left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, and both, oops, I didn't do 4, sorry. Then both hands, 1, 2, 3, and down. Then come back to the front. Now we'll turn to the right. Let's do your left hand, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now do your right hand, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now do both, 1, 2, 3, and down. Turn back to the front, turn to the left side, do your right hand, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4. And both hands, 1, 2, 3, and down, and turn to the front.